So I'm going to see if I can't put my new TIG welder to use. Try and fix Chris's oil pan problem. It's way too deep for his Corvette, so I've got this one here. I just got out of the parts washer. I'm going to try and cut about 3 inches out of it. Possibly put a bung in it for him. And yeah, see how things go. So what I've done here is taken the plasma cutter and cut out the drain plug. Then I took a 3-inch piece of plate and just held it along, marked all the way around the pan. I'll cut that 3 inches out, and then I've got a piece of 1/4-inch plate I'm going to weld to the bottom. And I'll find a way to incorporate this bung back into it, and yeah, should have a shortened oil pan for his Corvette. So I've bolted the pan to a 6-liter block, made my cut around there. I'm going to actually weld on the block as well so I don't warp the flange, but all I need to do now is use a little cardboard assisted design, some CAD to make a plate for the bottom and get to welding. Concludes my CAD drawing. So that's the template I need to make. I'll just make it slightly narrower than this outside line so I have a nice lap joint to weld. Should turn out all right. So I got the plate cut out. Go something like that. So I just welded a little circle there. I'll drill out the center and tap just for a little bit more depth. That'll be on the inside for the drain bolt. There, that's been drilled and tapped. Should work. Well, I've definitely seen better welds, but I am just learning how to TIG, so try not to go too hard on me. But yeah, I think that'll seal. We'll just wait for things to cool down here and take it off, fill it full of water, see if I got any pinholes or anything. But should work. So now for the sketchy part, modifying the pickup tube. So I've heated this, bent it down a bit, and I'm gonna have to cut some more off of this. Try and tuck that down nice and low and take that 3 inches out of it. So hopefully it'll work. Fingers crossed.